two heavyweights in the world of free accounting software who truly makes running your business easier. On one side, we have Wave, the user-friendly finance toolkit loved by freelancers and small businesses. On the other, FreeAgent, a platform designed to simplify even the messiest bookkeeping tasks. We're running both through real-world tests that matter: invoicing, expense tracking, reporting, integrations, customer support, and more. Let's put aside the marketing talk and see what actually helps you get work done. Each category scores points, so you'll know, point by point, which platform holds up best. And trust me, the winner may surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, here's how we're going to do it. I've mapped out all the categories we're comparing: price, features, usability, integrations, and UK compliance. We'll walk through each one, see where each product shines or stumbles, and then, I'll give you the verdict. Let's talk money first, because honestly, who doesn't love saving cash? Wave comes right out of the gate swinging. It's totally free for pretty much all the core stuff, and you're not paying by the user. That's a big win if you're on a budget. The only catch? If you want to run payroll or take payments, there are extra costs, but it's still super wallet friendly for most folks. Now, FreeAgent? This one's subscription only. You do get unlimited users and basically every feature in a single monthly fee, but the price is way higher, and there's no free plan to test the waters. So Wave takes this round to test the waters. So Wave takes this round just by being, free, comes right out of the gates. Now for features. Here's where the gap starts to widen. Wave covers the basics. Think invoices, receipts, simple reports, some payroll if you pay extra, and basic bank stuff. It works, but it's not a powerhouse. FreeAgent, though, it's like they packed every accounting tool they could think of in there. VAT, expenses, self-assessment, time tracking, project management, the works. Plus, it all ties into UK tax stuff and banks, which is kind of huge if you're UK-based. There is a bit more to learn, but you're getting way more firepower here. FreeAgent definitely dominates on features. Let's move into usability. This is one of those things you notice right away. Wave? It's so clean and easy that honestly, even if you've never done accounting before, you'll figure it out pretty quick. Like, you can just jump in and go. But because it's so simple, you will miss some of those slick automations. FreeAgent is more professional. It's got all these tools and dashboards which pros will love, but beginners might feel a little lost at first. Still, Wave wins here for being so friendly. Oh, and here's something cool I learned. Did you know Wave started out in Canada back in 2009? And they've stuck to their guns, keeping the core accounting part totally free. Kinda rare to see, right? Alright, integrations. Super important if you want your apps to actually talk to each other. Wave has a few basics. PayPal, Stripe, some bank feeds, that's about it. It does the minimum, but it's honestly kinda limited if you want crazy automations. FreeAgent, on the other hand, is absolutely packed with options. It connects with most UK banks, does HMRC submissions, uses Zapier for everything under the sun, plugs into Shopify, like, you name it, it probably connects. Sometimes those setups can be annoying, but FreeAgent wins big here. And if you're in the UK, compliance is probably the deal breaker. Wave just isn't made for the UK tax system. No VAT support, no making tax digital, none of that. It's fine for global basics, but not much else. Now, this is where FreeAgent really just runs away with it. It literally does everything for UK businesses, VAT, even direct submissions to HMRC. If you care about UK compliance, it's a no-brainer. This one easily goes to FreeAgent. So, to sum it up visually, you can totally see the trade-offs. Wave just owns the price and ease of use axes, but FreeAgent spikes hard in features, integrations, and definitely UK compliance. You kinda get what you pay for here, right? If you want free and easy, especially outside the UK, Wave's probably a no-brainer. But if you're running a business in the UK and need things like tax compliance, advanced reporting, or project management, FreeAgent is just on another level. That's the real difference. If you found this helpful, stick around and subscribe. I'll keep breaking down more useful business software so you can spend less time stressing about which tool to pick.